The holiday season is a goldmine for dropshippers, but let's be real for a second. A ton of people are going to lose money before Black Friday even gets here. Why? They pick the wrong products. They jump on dead trends, completely ignore their profit margins, and end up with a store that's just gathering digital dust. But that's not going to be you, not this year. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 10 proven winners for November 2025. We're talking tech, beauty, and seasonal stuff that's set to sell out. And you're going to want to stick around for the end, because the number one product on this list isn't just a winner. It's what I call a golden product. It has the potential to build your entire brand for the next year. This isn't about guessing. We're following the data. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 10 is a classic Q4 workhorse, the holiday-themed scented candle. Now, before you tell me that's too simple, hear me out. You're not just selling a candle, you're selling an experience. We're talking about those cozy, nostalgic scents like cinnamon, pine, and vanilla. People are actively looking for ways to make their homes feel festive, and a candle is the perfect low-cost, high-volume impulse buy. Coming in hot at number 9 is the Smart Home Mini Projector. This product just looks expensive, which is exactly what we want. It turns any room into a home theater, making it perfect for those holiday movie nights and family get-togethers. The viral potential here is ridiculous. At number 8, we've got a product straight from the TikTok Made Me Buy It playbook, the Thermal Eyelash Curler. This is a classic problem solver in the beauty niche. We all know traditional lash curlers don't give a curl that lasts. This heated version gives you that salon quality look right at home. Next up at number 7 is a product that sells on pure impulse, the Cozy Animal Soft Glow Lamp. You've probably seen the capybara nightlight go completely viral, and that trend is continuing with other cute animal designs. Cracking the top half of our list, at number 6, are customizable Christmas Advent calendars. The demand for Advent calendars is already huge, and it grows every single year. But the real money isn't in selling the basic chocolate ones. It's in offering customizable or niche-themed calendars. Alright, we're halfway through the list, and these products are already total game changers. But I've got to be honest with you, finding a winning product is only half the battle. Your success this November really depends on your fulfillment. Holiday shoppers have zero patience. If you can't get that package to them before Christmas, you've already lost the sale. That's why you absolutely have to work with suppliers that have warehouses in the United States or the European Union. Fast, reliable shipping isn't a perk anymore. It's a requirement to even compete in Q4. Now let's get to the products that can build a real brand. At number 5 is a true evergreen product that sees a huge sales spike during the holidays, the portable power bank. Coming in at number 4 are thermal touchscreen gloves. This is the perfect mashup of a seasonal need and a modern convenience. As soon as it gets cold, everyone needs gloves. We're in the top 3 now. And at number 3, we have a total powerhouse from one of the most passionate niches online, the 2-in-1 no-pull dog harness. Pet owners, especially dog owners, are an amazing market because they truly love spending money on their pets. Our runner-up is the Aromatherapy Diffuser, especially when you bundle it with essential oil sets. Wellness and self-care are absolutely exploding, and these diffusers are right at the heart of that movement. And here it is, the number 1 golden product to sell this November is the Red Light Therapy Massage Mat, This thing is an absolute beast. So there you have it, the top 10 products that are ready to dominate this November. But remember, success isn't just about picking one of these off a list. It's about building a real brand around it, telling a great story, and making sure your shipping is absolutely dialed in. The opportunity this holiday season is massive, but you've got to be smart about it. Now that you have the products, you need the right strategy to actually sell them. And of course, if you got any value out of this video, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments which product you're actually thinking about testing. Good luck and go crush it.